What's up, beautiful people? It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? I am back to teach you another line dance. It is a four-wall dance that moves counterclockwise. Instructors, the perfect dance for those new people that just come into your class. You can easily call this dance out and not have to stop your class, okay? Easy peasy beginner class. Line dance, okay? It's a four-wall dance that moves counterclockwise. The name of the dance is I Like. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. Before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Now, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you want to dance along to the music, watch till the end, click right here, and let's dance together. Are you ready? Let's go. Now we're going to start on this side of the room. Okay, so stand over here and look in this direction, all right? So we're going to start with two shuffles. Shuffle on the right, shuffle on the left. So my weight starts on the left, so I shuffle right, left, right, left, right, left. I rock up and I recover. So I rock up on the right and then recover on the left. Then I come back on that right with the shuffle on the right, 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 shuffle on the left, left, right, left, and then rock back, recover. Okay? So, again, shuffle up 2 times, rock up, recover, shuffle back 2 times, and rock back, recover. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle right, left, right, rock up, recover, back, right, left, rock back, recover. Okay, and then we're going to do a step pivot half twice with the right. Step pivot half on the right, step pivot half. Okay, and that's our first 16 counts. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, pivot 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 counts of 8. Okay, now we're here. Guess how we're going to get to our next wall? We're going to step into a quarter turn and go to the right. 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right? So you walk right into a quarter turn into that next wall with a walk to the right. 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I walk to the right, I tap on my left. I walk to the left, I tap on my right. Then I'm going to slide right, I'm going to slide left. And I'm going to go right, left, in the dance. So what did I do? I slide to the right, slide to the left, and I go right, left. That's my next 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. My weight is on my left, and I start the dance over, shuffling up. So let's put that together. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, shuffle it up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, up 5, back 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, pivot 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk and turn. 1, 2, 3, tap 4, left 5, 6, 7 with the slide is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. And all I'm doing is switching my weight from the right, left. So you just stand in here and you go right, left. And the hands kind of go with it. You go right, your hands go to the left. You go left, your hands go to the right. You go right, the hands go to the left, and then go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dance starts over. So let's take it from here. 5, 6. So let me add a modification. modification. If you don't want to do the step pivot turn, always remember, if you don't want to do the step pivot turn, you can do a rocking chair. Rock up on the right and back on the left. Rock up and back on the right. Let me show you that. So I'm going to show you the modification. Let's take it from here. So it starts with the shuffle. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, up 5, back 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Now, you don't want to pivot. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 5, 6, 7, 8. A rocking chair. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I roll to the right, to the next wall. Step on the right. 1, 2, 3. Tap 4. Left 5, 6, 7. Tap 8. Slide 1. Hold 2. Left 3. Hold 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, and 8. End of the dance. So, instructors, if I was teaching this dance, okay, I would do both versions, okay? So I would teach it with the pivot, that's the original choreography, and then I would show them the modification. So say for instance, I started on this wall right here, right? I would do the pivot. When I go to the next wall, I would do the rocking chair. So that means it's something for everybody. Let's do it. Let's look at and let's see how that looks. Okay, from the top, shuffle up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2. Shuffle 3 and 4. Up 5. Rock 6. Back 7 and 8. 1 and 2. Rock 3. 4. Step pivot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk to the next wall. 1, 2, 3. Tap 4. Left 5, 6, 7 with the slide is 1. Hold 2. Left 3. Hold 4. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Start again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Rock recover. 5, 6. Back 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Rock and chair. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn. 1, 2, 3. Tap 4. Left 5, 6, 7 with the slide is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So guess what? So it's a 4-wall dance that moves counterclockwise, right? So I will do it 2 more times. When I get back to this wall, the wall that I started, I'm not doing anything. I'm going to let them think about the steps. As long as you're calling out the steps, they never get a chance to think on their own, okay? So when you've taught the dance, step by step, they have an opportunity to learn. Then when you play the music, you still calling out the steps. On my 2 walls, I'll call the steps out. The other 2 walls, I'll do the count. When we make it back to this wall, which is the second rotation, guess what? I'm closing my mouth. Because now I need them to give them an opportunity. I need to give them an opportunity to think about what I taught. As long as you call in the step, they're not going to get it. And we do it as a habit. We really think that they can't do it. They can. Just give them an opportunity, instructors, okay? Give them an opportunity to learn on their own. They will think of the step if you don't call it. As long, and actually what happens is, about time I make it back here and I start calling it, they mess up because they're relying on me, okay? And I just let them mess up because they're going to catch up. And once they catch up, they're going to start relying on themselves and they're going to get the dance. So why do I say that? It's because y'all know that that I just came off an injury, right? I still attended class. And you're like, well, okay, I had a knee injury and I couldn't dance. But guess what? I still could click on the song. And guess what? They would just do the dance. They would do the dance without me being on the floor because they're used to me teaching them the dance. They're used to me step-by-step instructions right in class. Also, they're used to me playing the music and calling out the steps and then counting out the steps. And then they're used to me not saying anything. So pretty much, they don't really need class. They don't need me for class. They just need the music. I just clicked on every song and they just roll with it. Now, when it comes to starting to dance, there are certain people in my class that knows how to start the dance and they just follow their leads. I had to train my class to get to that level. Instructors, train your class to get to that level. Some instructors take pride and joy, oh, my people can't dance without me. What kind of instructor is that? No, I take pride and joy that my people can dance without me, okay? That's a great instructor. When your people can dance without you, it makes me so proud. So, just so you know, I'm gonna drop some gems, y'all. Y'all already know. So, guys, I want to thank you again for supporting the NOLA Southern Experience. We are sold out. We're not taking anybody else on the wait list. The wait list is full to capacity, okay? And so those who are on the wait list, we're waiting for people to request to transfer a registration, and then we're able to do that, move people forward on the wait list, off the wait list. But that really not going to come until we get closer and closer to the event and people see that they have a conflict in their schedule or so and they need to transfer their registration. So please be patient. So like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.